let's move on to the next question, which is, this is case study question. In a residential society comprising of 100 houses, there were 60 children between the ages of 10 to 15 years. Okay. And they were inspired by their teachers to start composting to ensure that biodegradable waste is recycled. For this purpose, instead of each child doing it for only his or her house, children convinced the Residents' Welfare Association to do it as society initiative. For this, they identified a square area in the local park. Local authorities charged amount of rupees 50 per square meter for space, so that there is no misuse of space, and the Resident Welfare Association takes it seriously. Association hired a laborer for digging out 250 meter cube, and he charged rupees 400 multiplied by depth का whole square. So association will like to have minimum cost. Based on this information, we have to answer the following questions. So let's move on to the questions. So this is the compost pit जो उन children ने करा था अपने park में dig out. So let the side of square plot is x meter and its depth is h meters, then cost C for the pit is. So here you have been given, आपका ये compost pit है जहाँ पे this is a square plot. Square plot है, that means आपके जो L और B है वो equal है. So L is equal to B. Let that be x meter. Okay, and this is given to us. And the height, the depth is, depth आपको कितना दिया है? h meter. Okay, and we know that here that L multiplied by B multiplied by H is equal to volume of this square pit. आपको जो ये pit है compost pit, इसका जो volume होगा वो क्या होगा? Length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. तो आप लिख सकते हैं x square h. Okay, so and we are being given, ये हमें क्या दिया हुआ है? Volume is 250 meter cube. So we are being given that 2x square h is equal to 250. तो यहाँ से आप लिख सकते हैं कि h is equal to 250 upon x square. Okay, तो ये हमने मार्क कर लिया. तो अब हमें क्या निकालना है? Cost C for the pit. So we know that, but we know that local authorities charged amount of rupees 50 per square meter for the space. So that अब आपका 50 per square meter होता है. So for 1 meter square they charge rupees 50. So for x square meter square they will charge rupees 50 multiplied by x square. Okay, and he charged, they have hired laborers and they charged rupees 400 multiplied by depth square. तो यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हैं 400 multiplied by depth square the laborer will charge. That means labor कितना चार्ज करेंगे? 400 multiplied by h square. Okay, so आपका cost कितना आ जाएगा? Cost will be 50 x square plus 400 h square. Okay, तो यहाँ से आप h की वैल्यू और x, या आप यहाँ से x स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं 250 अपॉन h. तो आपने c में पुट किया इसे, c is 50 multiplied by x square, 50 multiplied by x square, that is 250 upon h plus 400 h square. So that will be 12,500 upon h plus 400 h square. So which is the correct option? B is the correct option. So let's move on to the next question. The next question is value of h in meter for which dc upon dh is equal to 0. So here you know that from the previous question that C आपका क्या आया था? You have got 12500 h up 12500 upon h plus 400 h square. So 12500 upon h plus 400 h square. So what we have to find? We have to find dc upon dh. So dc upon dh will be 12500, ये आपका ये हो जाएगा plus 400 multiplied by 2h. So that will be equal to minus 12500 upon h square plus 800 h. Okay, and we have to find the value of h if dc upon dh is equal to 0. तो dc upon dh को अगर आप 0 करते हैं तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? माइनस 12500 अपॉन एच स्क्वायर प्लस 800 एच इज इक्वल टू 0. So that implies 12500 h square is equal to minus 800 h. So you will get h cube. That implies h cube is equal to 12500 upon 800. Okay, तो आपका ये आ जाएगा h is equal to 125 upon 8 की पावर 1/3. So you will get h is equal to 5 upon 2, that is equal to 2.5. So C is the correct option. So let's move on to the next question. So let's move on to the 48th question, that is we have to find d square c upon dh square. तो आपको पता है dc upon dh अभी हमने निकाला है. So that is क्या निकाला था अभी हमने? minus 12500 upon h square plus 800 h. minus 12500 upon h square plus 800 h. Okay. तो आप यहाँ से निकाल सकते हैं d square c upon dh square as 12500 multiplied by 2 upon h cube plus 800. So that will be 25,000 upon h cube plus 800. So which is the correct option? A is the correct option. So let's move on to the next question. So here, so let's move on to the next question, that is 49th question. Value of x in meter for minimum cost is. So here we know that हमने अभी निकाला है d square c upon dh square is equal to 25,000 upon h cube plus 800. From the previous question we have calculated this. Yes or no? Yes. So we have to find the value of x for the minimum cost. और हमें पता है कि dc upon dh को जब हमने 0 से इक्वेट किया था, we got h is equal to 5/2. So we have to check that this point is point of minima or maxima. So let's substitute this in d square c upon dh square. You will get 25,000 upon 5/2 का cube plus 800. Okay, so that will be equal to 25,000 upon 5 cube is 125. This is 125. Okay, into 8 plus 800. So you can see that this will be always greater than 0. That means this is the point of minima. So we have to find the value of x for minimum cost. तो हमें x की वैल्यू निकालनी है. तो आपने यहाँ से देखा x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 250 अपॉन h, x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 250 अपॉन h। ओके, तो 250 अपॉन h, सो यहाँ से आप निकाल सकते हैं x की वैल्यू। तो 250 अपॉन h, h इज आपका h क्या है 5/2, 5/2 दैट इज 500 अपॉन 5 विच इज इक्वल टू 100, दैट इज x इज इक्वल टू 10 मीटर। दिस इज इन मीटर्स, और आपको बिकॉज हेयर हमें यहाँ पे इन मीटर दिया हुआ है तो हम लिख सकते हैं x इज इक्वल टू 10 इन मीटर, आपको पहले से ही दिया, तो x इज इक्वल टू 10 मीटर। सो आपका ऑप्शन क्या होगा D, hence D is the correct option. So let's move on to the next question. So here total minimum cost of digging the pit in rupees is, तो here आपको ये जो सारे कॉस्ट दिए हैं ये रुपीस में ही दिया हुआ है। तो आपने कॉस्ट का जो फंक्शन था वो निकाला था कुछ 50x स्क्वायर प्लस 400h स्क्वायर। ओके, फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन नंबर 46 आपने कॉस्ट निकाली थी 50x स्क्वायर प्लस 400h स्क्वायर। तो यहाँ पे आपको टोटल मिनिमम कॉस्ट निकालनी है। तो लेट अस सब्स्टिट्यूट x इज इक्वल टू, आपने यहाँ पे भी 10 निकाला है और h इज इक्वल टू 5/2। तो आपका कॉस्ट कितना आ जाएगा 50 इंटू 10 स्क्वायर प्लस 400 into 5/2 square. So you will get 50 into 100 plus 400 multiplied by 25 upon 4. So you will get 5,000 plus 2,500 which is equal to 7,500. So this is rupees 7,500. So which is the correct option? B is the correct option. Thank you.